Namaste friends. Are you suffering from the problems of throat? Do you always feel that you have something obstructed or some pain or some inflammation in your throat area, in your larynx area? Or do you feel that when you speak, your voice is not coming out properly, there is some hoarseness in your voice, especially in teachers, in preachers, in the singers who are performing on stage, or those who have to continuously speak for hours. They feel that their larynx has become weak and their voice is not coming out properly. So my dear friends, today I will share with you a very effective and a useful homeopathic medicine, R45 of Brackway Company. R45 is very good for throat problems and the larynx problems. This medicine can be taken 3 times a day, 10 to 15 drops in half cup of lukewarm water. If there is any acute problem or there is a loss of voice or some irritation in throat which is very painful, then this medicine can be taken every 10 to 15 minutes or at the interval of half an hour. It is always better to get the problem diagnosed before starting the medicine, or if there is not any desired results that you are expecting from the medicines. There are so many reasons why you are having this problem. It can be due to allergy or some throat problems or due to the thyroid problem or any other reasons. So it is always better advisable to consult your homeopathic physicians before starting the medicine. In children, the dose can be increased in acute cases depending on the age and severity of the problem. Friends, you have to like and share the video. Also subscribe and follow our Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp and YouTube channels. Visit our website www.medicinesmall.com to purchase the medicine and book your personal appointments. Also visit our Delhi stores at Sitaram Bazaar and Azad Market to purchase the medicine and take your personal consultations. Always keep smiling, need not to worry. Keep your throat healthy. Thank you.